Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your OnePlus Watch 4 failing to pair with your phone. Okay, so the first thing is of course to restart the watch. If it fails to pair, you need to press and hold on the side button, the one on the bottom. Then tap on power off. Wait a moment, approximately 15 seconds, and then press and hold on the button. I always do the top button, but I don't know if it makes a difference. I always do the top button though. Just press and hold on it until you see the OnePlus logo. If that doesn't help, then you may want to first of all go to your phone settings and forget your watch from the Bluetooth settings so you can pair it again. Well, it didn't turn on yet. Let's try pressing and holding again. Okay, I'll try the other button. Maybe the other button is better for that? Yeah, it is definitely better. I was pretty sure that the top one worked though. Yeah, let's go to the settings now. In the settings, you can go to Bluetooth. Then you'll find OnePlus Watch 4 if it was ever connected. Also, you may want to, on your phone, restart Bluetooth. Just turn it off and turn it on. Remember that after each of these steps, you can already try to see if it already pairs. But if not, you can always just follow the other steps and see at what point it fixes the issue. I will forget it. I'll just click on Unpair in the Bluetooth settings of my phone. Then it'll request pairing and I will do it, but yeah, so in my case pairing works already, but if it doesn't in your case, then you may want to go to the settings and go to your apps in settings, then find manage apps, or like different phones have different settings, of course, so you'll need to take that into account, and find the Health app. Now find the option of clearing cache if there is one. I don't see that option here, but yeah, okay, there it is. You saw that storage. I can click on clear cache and that may help. Let's try to go into the Health app, and you can see my watch is already in the app. You should try like updating data here and see if it's connected, if it's all right. If not, then you may also want to unpair it from the app. But remember, if you unpair it from the app, it will reset the watch and you will need to do everything again. But if that's the only thing that helps, then that's what you should do. Another thing is that if you are never connected to the watch yet, then make sure that it's on and that you have the app installed and Bluetooth on. And there's a video on how to connect it. You may want to follow that on our channel, so you know how to do it properly, just in case you may missed something. But okay, since like you're still watching this video, probably you have connected your watch in the past and none of the previous things that I told you helped, then you may want to reset the watch. You just go to more and unpair, and in my case, since the watch is connected currently, it will do it it will automatically reset the watch. But if unpair doesn't do anything on the watch, then you may want to go to settings and go to other, then go to disconnect and reset. And also, before you do that, one more thing, if you haven't done that yet, if you haven't yet unpaired, go to system updates and check if there is an update available. Sometimes it'll help. Let's go to other now, and I'll disconnect and reset. I'll do it on the watch first. And then you may want to, if it doesn't unpair it automatically, if it doesn't remove it from the app, you may want to unpair it here. So let's do it. Let's do more, unpair, and then pair. There's a video about it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.